Fern moves, so she gets some pictures.
Claire.
Oh, there's a yellow.
Oh, Brian found one on her own.
That's right.
Good job. That's right up her belly. Put it in the basket.
Yeah, oh yeah. You little peanut. Can't wait till we get her. Oh yeah, everyone's following you, Claire. There's an old place, right?
Oh, she owns it.
Oh yeah, she does. She's rolling around. Off the chain machine.
So where's Uncle Pat?
He's down on this side.
So he's not really in.
No, he's not in my facility.
I need a drink.
You need a drink? Are you thirsty? Can you wait for a second? Where are you gonna go for a drink?